In this video, I'll show you how to promote a small business on Facebook using your phone. Promoting your business on Facebook can help you reach more people and attract potential customers. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the account that manages your business page. Tap the menu icon and go to Pages, then select your business page. Once your page opens, start by creating regular posts that show your products, services, or special offers. Tap Create Post and add clear photos or short videos because visual content usually gets more attention. Write a short caption explaining what you are offering and why people should choose your business. You can also add a call to action such as asking people to message you for more details. Next, use the Invite Friends option on your page to invite people to like and follow your page. This helps grow your audience. Another useful option is the Boost Post button. Tap Boost Post to promote your post so it can reach more people beyond your current followers. You can choose your audience, set a budget, and select how long the promotion should run. Consistently posting helpful and interesting content will help your business get noticed over time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.